Payloads obtained. Good. We weighed the payload. Weighed the payload. This one's already been weighed. We weighed it last night. Weighed the payload. Yeah, it's already been weighed. I weighed it last night. Cornell's also already been weighed.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Okay, so do you want to help make sure that the scale is 0 to turn it on and make sure it's 0? Yeah, I don't know. Just set a lot of number.
4 is the one.
Yeah, 4 is the one. Yeah. I didn't. I don't think the mic's on.
Okay. Let's go down the list. Ether. Hi, baby. Let me wait.
There's 3. That's misnumbered.
Yeah, those are the big ones which you have to squeeze. The P ones being pretty loose is
Okay.
Yeah, there's a battery.
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
Why is it? Okay. There we go. It's fine. I'm just gonna go for it.
I've seen them go easy.
You said 573. This is.
I'm glad you guys got here.
Yes. 555.
We gotta think of an M name for side.
Let's do 570.
Oh. Well, hers is the S part.
Miley Cyrus.
My sister calls me Siley Myra.
Siley Myra.
I mean, unless you can't get it enclosed around it, I think it's
Okay.
It was just.
but like,
I don't know if it was a way elaborate one.
It's 5:36.
Maybe one of the laces.
Aether, you guys are now good to go and do whatever you choose to do. No. Go ahead and work on it in the van. We'll come get it.
unfortunately, I know.
Oh, that's all you need? Okay, just keep it,
Towards the bottom.
third up.
I mean, I won't need it after.
Okay.
No, I'm also freezing, dog. Like, I'm trying not to. Yeah, go talk about it.
Yeah, let me need to turn it off.
Testing mic.
Yeah. Is there the parasite in there? Okay, put the parasite in there. Can we weigh our beam before we take it? We need like 5 seconds to weigh it. So we'd like to weigh it.
Can we take something? I want to check it. Like, there might be something that we
I need to put my other jacket on.
Oh, okay, check it. Check it.
Once it gets a bit warmer, I'll show you
I know.
I do just remember Simon being on a swing, and I just go in my radio, stretch her to the pad. Stretch her to the pad, and she went, and she got off a swing. She was like, "What, bro?"
Wait for a second,
He's probably gonna take a nap or something.
Yeah. We are reporting live from NS-129.
No, it's like he's going down the trail.
Still setting up.
Everything else to do, so.
It's got sand to it.
The thing is like not. It's not all what's sealed.
I think he's gonna stop.
Yeah.
He's like, okay. So this one's a bitch. So we're gonna close up and then do this. Can you close this? Nope. You gotta close at the same time. Yep. They overlap. Here you go. That on top.
I'm going to avoid these sandbox things when it's time for reading.
I think they used to do more.
So I'm okay. Herman, what's the best way to weigh this bitch? I'm trying to find a way to balance it. We just need to. We can't put the entire payload on the same.
I feel bad, but I'll try hard. It's even crazier because it's still American.
We got 0. That's fine. Let's 0 it with the.
Yeah.
We're almost done.
Yeah.
For
But
what?
also at the same time, I love
Yeah, give her one of the. She should have your milk. Yes.
No. I'm sorry.
do not have
The one place I'm not going to
I don't think we have it. We have tissues.
Are you kidding me?
I also have.
Yeah, you know what? I would try this. Are you joking? Also, why did you see the East Coast from Maryland is 1-4 and it's tight?
That's not true.
Yeah.
It's like
There we go. Okay.
God!
There you go. You're free to take it now.
How do you guys feel go.edu.edu/BPP-Live.
What? No, that's all this night. They got a nice
Like a
Seriously?
Yep. We need Boba 1
Oh, we need to.
and spectroscopy and Terminator.
Spectroscopy is 198.
We need. When did you weigh that? Can you weigh it on the pad? You weigh them all on the pad as well.
Do we want to fly TMNT?
No.
Huh?
What's the point?
That is
Flying
true.
what?
TMNT.
Oh, all the wires?
Temperature
The
probes.
temperature probes.
Well, would you take them off?
Yes.
Okay.
It's just
Yeah.
Yeah.
And unplugging. Yeah, I mean, I guess that's the test thing. That becomes a test. It doesn't record for the whole time.
Yes.
If
See, but the thing is,
without the
we
probes.
changed settings. So the reason it recorded was not, the probes are just recording temperature. They're not doing anything.
One would hope. And these are the unexpected.
They're the
yes.
lucky probes, you know, they're just
That's right, exactly.
Yeah.
It's always unpredictable what small changes will do. You can never be too sure that it's not. But still, no, I think it'll be a lighter weight. We are a little heavy. We want to go up fast. So anything we can do to, yeah. And then, and you have a new battery and all that, Jess?
We have the best cards.
Okay.
Oh, we need to flight test.
Yes.
Okay.
That's it.
You can do that on your computer.
Hey, ground station. Do you guys have a radio? And if not, and if you do, is RFD good to weigh? Do you have all your stuff in it?
Are we live streaming? Yes, we are. You want the link?
Hello, welcome to the live stream. Can you see me?
No.
You need to raise it. Okay, can I suggest one thing to raise it?
Yeah? Oh, okay.
Where is
You're
this?
literally in the camera. Hold on.
Hold this. Just hold this. That's not where it tightens from. Hold it.
I'm holding it.
Hi. Welcome to my unboxing. Today we'll be working on cameras. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. So today for the camera, we will be
Oh, do you want the microphone?
It's okay. You will be seeing me disassemble the TMNT system, which is the temperature, measurement, and test.
Battery in there right now?
What?
Okay, yeah, 632. I don't know how it's lighter, but it's lighter.
It's my payload. What?
Nothing.
Could you use one of the other hotspots?
So what they're doing is they're sticking an accelerometer into the sandbox.
No.
Yes. We need Boba 1 and spectroscopy. Only 2 left that have been weighed. Can you get Boba 1? They just need to be way. They don't need to be assembled. They just
Wait,
have all the hardware.
can we wave?
The drone speed just needs to be waved. It is, but I know the way that their payload functions. They basically fold it up like a burrito and then tape it closed. So right now it's basically a net that they fold. It's a flat set. Okay. Spectroscopy. Okay. You need washers and cotters for that, right?
I'm just trying to add extra. I'm trying to add some measurements. That's what I'm trying to do.
215. We'll come back for it in a bit to grab. Oh, it was 190, so you guys caught up. Awesome, thank you.
Alright, sorry to be interrupted, but we're back to my unboxing.
He's grabbing him, yeah.
Welcome to my unboxing video. Today we'll be unboxing this, as I was saying. That's really stuck in there, so I would suggest someone with tiny hands, but if you got paws like mine, you really can't do that. So, I'm going to unscrew this real quick. Get this tape off. So hopefully, as a result, this will just, yes, peel off.
Oh, here comes Bo.
Alright, now that that's out, we can just pull this through this absolute mess of wires. And then we pull it through the tentacle monster. Oh, something's caught. We'll just pull it. Keep on pulling. And out comes TMNT. Yes, it looks like a weird octopus, but it works. It is a very effective temperature testing system. Cool. Alright. Now we just plug in the USBs, do our stuff, and it'll be fine. Thanks for coming to my unboxing.
By a significant margin. You guys said 600 grams. Yeah, they said 600 grams. Yeah, this is 10. Okay, well, we're back up.
I have to
That,
touch log.json.
why? I want to know why it has gone up so much in weight. It went up a month.
Compiler.
600 grams. We haven't all seen it.
Sally, is the sledgehammer over there?
Yeah.
I'll probably be texting. Yeah, because we do kind of.
Which way would you rather have? I know, neither of those two are going to be active because they aren't.
My software update actually made my phone
It's not active. Okay, we're doing that, and then we have half a pound of sand that can be added.
Okay, I'll
It's going to be right under 12.
Like, it takes
This is right. This is the most accurate way to do it.
I
literally thought you were talking.
Yakini was showing me the different estimates, and we'll go to so we definitely want 60 as much as possible. So I'm thinking we're going to want to
No, no. Wait. How long do you need me to do regulator training?
Hold on.
How much before you start inflating will you do it? How much time
Not there.
before you start inflating?
I mean, I can give an abbreviated version in probably like 5 minutes.
Just start doing the training now.
Okay.
Yeah. We're just gonna run through some other calculations and then we'll
So is this working? And
Yeah,
this
it's
to give-
flown without the lens cover some.
Yeah, sledgehammer is not
Trust me.
I promise I'm not a bitter person, but sometimes this job brings out the worst in me when I'm feeling hungry. Flightline's good, everything's good.
I lived it like
Tape here.
Push the throw.
So all of our payloads have either owners or are in our hands. So we don't have much to do right now because none of the payloads are in our hands right now.
Yes, we do.
And Cornell can be put on. It's next to me. It's right below our radar. NSO is right above, Cornell is right below.
I think
Terminator is below Cornell. Okay.
they're like, look, this actually has to work.
I'll just make my PhD like a full design study.
You need help finding the hot group?
Good enough. Okay.
P or CDR.
TRL 7.0.
All the buzzwords.
Yes. I'm using cost heuristic
What was the other one? If I need
linearization.
it for security, I'm okay with it. Okay.
Yeah. I was just
Okay, yes, let's grab those with your non-glove hands and let us hold this here.
Yeah, I think that's like
Awesome. And we'll be there when everyone's on that we're all the payloads are now weight. Every single payload has a new weight. Flight line, parachute, command, and traffic all been weight. We're good to go. And parachute's on tank.
So the question is,
So right now we're at 11 pounds. Like 11.09 pounds. Great.
about,
isn't it crazy that
I still don't want to go all the way.
Let's do half a pound.
Well, let's see what Emily says, but
isn't it awesome that we're that
what happens?
sunny?
Tell her how much this weighs so she can change her.
Yeah, I would go for exactly half a pound and see. So that'll be 11.
That's crazy. How does that happen?
I don't know. I'm trying to do grams as usually when I type in, but I don't know half a pound of grams. It's like what?
Look at the sun.
I'm making my stops at every station.
That's not the hog glue gun that blew up yesterday, right?
No.
Okay.
How did you blow up a hot?
We didn't try, it just happened. It was just on.
What do you
and then,
mean,
like,
just set up?
Can you teach me how to do a live stream? Come on, train me.
Many bags.
On there, on the spreadsheet. You know my name is the only one that does it.
I'm gonna be honest, I don't really remember.
Somewhere around 250, I guess. I want to say it's like 2.5.
Thank you, Irvin.
I mean, because we had that long.
I'm sure they would have
Keep it
not
away
picked
from the
that one up.
electricity. Actually.
No, seriously, yeah. Because yesterday we were working with it, and then she put it down, and like I went to get some glue that had dropped out of it, and then literal fire came out of it.
Yeah, like imagine a mini fire.
Yeah, fully. I thought I was gonna die.
I thought that you almost burned your hand.
No shame. I thought like my eyes would get singed off or something.
Now this one's not working.
Oh, here, just forced.
Wait, a little bit, like 2 minutes.
Are you?
Yeah, it is kind of cool.
Do we have to do ours?
No, I just need to do. We've already hot glued ours.
No, ours isn't.
Because these holes can't be ducted.
5'9".
So we need to.
You don't have a. Is there a washer on that?
No, it's not. We should have thought of that. Wait, we're just because it's hard to like.
So
Yeah, you can't put it on that. Yeah. Yeah.
I just have to let you. But even then, this is too big.
That's true. That's true. Are you the one that sets up the live stream? Can you tell me how you did it? I'm just going around to every station asking.
So we order from the library.
I know how to do that part.
Yes, a week or like at least 4 days in advance. We go pick it up on the Friday before the launch. And so equipment basically means that camera, the tripod, I love the and the microphone.
Okay.
The camera comes in that box, so it has a bunch of other stuff on it. Then you set up the camp. So there's a software called OBS, which is linked to the program's YouTube, where you can set up a broadcast. The OBS software basically like helps with video processing and like having one place for all the microphone inputs, all the video inputs. So we hook the camera up. If you see that cable, that's the HDMI output. So it connects to a capture card that's connected to the blue wire there.
Okay.
That blue wire connects to the computer. On the other side, this is just the power. The other cable, that's just the power. That's connected to somewhere over here. And then we set up the OBS software. It basically detects the video devices that are connected to your computer, and you can set it all up and adjust how much, like, especially for audio, you can adjust the volume, and you can adjust like which one is running and which one's not running. So for audio, because we have so much like background noise, we want to capture it in. So we have the computer's microphones capturing audio. We have the four mics on the outside. So capturing audio, we have this microphone, which is currently turned on.
Hi on. Ready for
and
sand
we
heading.
have that stick up there. That's also microphone.
Oh,
Yeah.
Mike's blower.
Yes. So all of those just capture sound from around whatever ambient sound there is. And if you speak close to the, like right now I'm speaking and I can hear myself because I have earphones in connected to the YouTube. So if it goes out, I can tell and we can fix it. But if you're speaking close enough around the camera, it will pick up what you're saying because all the microphones are right here. And you can hear it in the live stream.
Are you guys flying TMNT?
No.
Okay, we need to rewire your payload then because you guys are significantly lighter.
about it. They're not flying half their payload now.
I'll go reweigh and I'll let you know. This is everything?
Yep.
You have a battery in here?
Actually, do you want me to put in the battery?
Yes, please. We're trying to get as accurate a weight as possible, so.
Yep.
Yeah, battery pack would be great.
Herman, let me grab one thing that needs to go in the...
And then this semester they were like, you have to fill out the form, you may not be with your client. I was like, thanks for calling.
Yeah, that's fine.
I was like, I want to talk to Holland. And then they were like, no.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, sorry. Is that any other questions?
No.
I saw the form and it's
I
wanted to
forget
know
how to
Jen.
set it up because it takes like just too many wires for me.
Yeah.
But I feel like once you know what the purpose of each wire is, like I know that one is the HDMI output to HDMI input, then it makes sense.
Makes it
that, okay,
easier.
yeah. And everything here, like it says where things are. So if you see power, that's power. That's
Okay.
So then it doesn't come on that. We also have to set up that thing. And then we also have to set up that thing with the antennas. That's the focal point.
Okay.
Basically just power Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Yeah. For the.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Is that something that you guys just have for BP, or do you also get that from McKelvin?
We own. We lab owns this.
Insta 360, did you guys have your power bank in here when you waited before?
No.
That's okay, thank you, that would have been helpful.
Hi. It's okay.
Dr. got it. I know. They're really close on lift right now, and it's just every single thing.
We have full-time employees. My advisor has a degree in secondary education, which I don't actually understand how you get a degree in college. That's a basic class.
We're back without Sam at 11. So we are way more.
Yeah.
We're aiming for a 6 pounds. 6.
for?
That would be
He's the 360.
How long is it going to take you to get us an estimate?
I need to start a hole in the box and have somewhere.
I think we should fly like that.
Or it just gets placed in the uninsulated part of the sandbox. If there's no sand in it, maybe it's okay.
We want it. Look, we want it outside.
It's like, okay,
No, I think this is the configuration. This is the best test to be in the configuration it's going to fly in when it actually flies. Okay, we'll footage. Okay, but
also, is there going to be no sandbox? They are something that's very important for seniors. It is a senior thing that I didn't advance people hold of.
okay, so yeah, no, so if you guys like this, there's nothing else for school.
They've already been accounted for in the realized. I think. They're about to go.
But other than that, there's nothing.
How are you going to
I'm gonna dump it.
Oh, that's you can give it to Herman.
Romeo probably has some.
Yeah, okay.
I'll see how
I'll go back in.
for his benefit. Okay, so
So you see how this side has a border? This one I think will flash on the pack. We're still flying it because it's good to make. There's a front and back one. So it's gonna fly like this, but if we want for this, it's like this.
well, I think we also need to.
I wouldn't have to. This is the old Indiana we ordered. We've been testing working with
My
the
phone
old
says that to me. Still fucking wants something in the box. Like, use your goddamn phone.
So you think if we get the settings figured out?
Yes. So, like, I'm gonna go get them like time.
I can't buy Takis because I'll eat the whole new bag and then my tongue will hurt.
And then it's better.
Yeah. Yeah.
but we will need it for my
Dude, I ate Takis this one time and then
So we might put,
We have to make sure the geofence is where we don't hit that. Because I know that's what Bowden was worried about.
all of your fingers bleeding.
Oh, okay, true. Oh, yeah, we're not playing goals. Not as concerned.
yeah, I don't think
Okay, as long as that's okay. I forgot about that we don't have goal. I'm used to concerning about
Oh
losing goal.
God, this is on me.
Look, I think we just fly when we want to fly. We have low sand. JJ.
So are you comfortable with it?
Then I don't know.
Look, well, so here's my thing. We fly when we want to fly. We put as much training in to get the ascent rate that we get, and we either burst and don't land in the west bar, or we hit a geofence and we don't. So I'm really, and I'm not concerned about or the
We don't have goal.
So I think we just fly when we want to fly.
Yeah, we need help. Just how to go on the other side.
Still go for 6. But if it, and then when we get up to about 21, 22, 23 packs of lift, do a second. I think it's okay.
And frankly though, if it's big, we'll have a low burst.
You know, I forgot. As long as the geofence is in place, when you go to burst, this will have 6.
It's really high in the play when you're
So if you're looking nervous at I think that would.
okay, so no sand in sandbox? So
No, definitely.
there's no sand in it right now. Is that okay?
Up to 22, it'll be like 5.2 if we only get
I don't want that sand.
No, hold on. I think we have to.
Like the whole point of it is
Yeah. I don't care if our, like, look, I don't want our
Okay, so maybe we, yeah, so maybe 5 to 5.5.
okay.
And other words, so let's make that 6 meters a low priority.
Okay.
Probably
I
is a
will
higher
hit minimum 5 points. Okay. Let me see how many grams was good. I'm literally getting us to exactly 12 pounds by the amount of sand we're putting in here. And then you got grams of sand. Okay, that is already it.
Only we could give it sand later.
I was going to drop the sand immediately. Alright, 50. Where is it going? Oh, it's on the timer. 50,000 feet. Oh, it's on the timer.
Okay, 230 grams, we were at 72.
Yeah, only aerial.
Yeah.
Okay.
We need to fly another balloon.
230 grams of sand. Exactly, that is how much we can get. No, it's not too
And
terrible.
then we put the sand in the tandem. And then it drops down to the valley.
So, I mean, he'll at least get to see, like, how much of the sand gets out.
Because the mechanism is still good.
Yeah.
It'll be fine.
Right.
I'm not worried at all. I am not worried.
Are you cutting anything in your pellet, or is it just for electronics test?
It's just I'm gonna walk in.
Can I put something in your box?
Yeah. The board is nothing.
Can you put this in there?
You can absolutely.
You can put it in mine. I have like 1,000 meters.
Actually, Dan is way more.
Can you give it? Yeah, can you put this there? That's the hard box on the menu place.
Oh, do you want the link to the
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Those are already accounted for, by the way. Thank you.
I literally just have a box of like an Amazon basic box USB.
Dan has a concert hall.
Yeah. Dude, it's because it's a pre-allocated size.
The other one gets put before the other outside.
There's no
It's to the
reason
space
for me to make it.
That's the whole deal.
I think I'm gonna put a next over there board.
Flight suit is an orange. This is the little PVA is gonna get to an outside.
I kind of want to design it.
And if it gets lost, it gets lost. It's outside. Because I always have the white one.
Because I like.
And
I
have
feel like
mine that's
electronics could
attached to
be
my
fun.
backpack,
I
so
just
for
am
some
so
reason
dumb.
they'll get lost in flight. We have
Like that's like passengers decoupling makes no sense. Like there's this one circuit that I saw and it was like you used to have ground and then you had voltage and you had a cap in between and then you had like a sensor on the right side. It was like what the fuck is even going off?
There's a path down there.
But they were in parallel.
Shell? Okay. Shell it off.
It smooths out the power inputs when they're in parallel. Wow.
It was like that before we had the whole series.
Let's go put payload on the flight line. Let's put it
Sure.
But look, it's actually really simple. Capacitors, they change in voltage. So, if they store energy.
Yeah.
Is it flying?
You didn't leave space for Cornell.
Okay.
So, if you have a power
No, that's what Cornell's
moving up and down, it'll charge up. There's noise reduction and it's like switch devices.
Put Cornell on there though. They need their holes drilled, I'm pretty sure. They didn't drill them, but like
So I get that it could smooth out the power. How does having the parallel to the sensor help smooth that? Going into my sense.
I need to be able to.
We won't be doing walking. We'll put like one walk.
You can put the water on the bottom. You can definitely. Or I do. You have one that's perfect size.
It should be in launch.
Well, you can take it.
I mean, this one already has the
It's got it.
Might be able to have the other one as well.
Yeah. Look at this. You can do whatever you want. Well, you should give the camera set next to the device, right? If the device needs to draw up with the current, the camera support. Right, so that's how it works.
Are you sure they're not I'm pretty sure that's what Madeline did. Right now I think
It's normally like very accurate. Like I can tell where in a building people are.
Right, okay. Then a reflector, then Cornell, then NSO, then Robot Born, instant 360 spectroscopy. Holy shit, there's 3 payloads in that area. They should not be that close together.
suppose I did love it.
Or do it like in the grass.
Yeah, I sort of can't blame you because I guess there's nothing to do.
See, I was never a
I don't know if there is a reason that
Yeah, I don't know if you usually pack
I rolled a 19 and it fucking popped.
Yeah.
It was not.
Yeah, you have that little one.
Anyone get to
It was in a small deal. That was the issue. And when it was brought out of BLT. Me too. Rock, paper, scissors for breaking it.
It is warming up, thank God. Yeah, you guys came here once and then
It's working now. After I got the
multimeter.
Let me go get the box.
The launch maker.
Alright, where's the scale?
It's over by Tyon.
Alright.
It's got history. Love your
No, it's very well.
At least it's decent blanket.
Good. 2:30? Alright.
Oh, yeah.
Are they in this van?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Oh yeah, there you go. That's super warm. Yeah.
I'm super
But it's a fleece sweater. You remember when they came out with
Goes in the part where you're stuck.
what did they call it? These things that you would put on to watch television.
The Snuggie?
Yeah.
It's like a Snuggie, but it's a shark shape. I really like it. I lost my
We still have to turn everything else. I will wait. It'll just get fixed over there. I'll come back to you guys in a second. They're only missing 3 robots this 20 minutes.
Magical jars. No, actually, like this is kind of special. It's nice.
Because you were pretty easy. And there's 3 of us and 3 people. He's doing the software. There's 3 of us and 3 people who do it. And that's it. So that's okay. And we'll get parachute stuff, don't set up feathers, the hand over hand. Yeah, that's why I'm starting. Yes.
Barely going.
Okay, so
Not really. I tried showing them the own live stream, like their feedback loop, but everything's too dark because everything's bright right now. So you could not see any of it.
Because they have 2 payloads above them, so I don't want them to go into the -5 and have to tie all 3 on and release the balloon.
We're at 220 right now.
No dual bit. Okay.
There it is. I'm pouring out of the jar.
Oh my god, amazing. Hold on, let's get this out.
Right now it's at 228. Do you want to just call it 228?
228, let's go. Show me your ball. Thank you.
What? Yeah, it was like a big air. So we actually got a fair amount of sand.
It's fluctuating.
It's at 228, that's closer to 230.
That's the first weight that it gives you.
Yeah.
It just does that. That's the best I've come to with it.
I mean, the highest it was.
I got spare sand.
Okay.
Alright, there we go. piece of tape on the top, and then washers, cotters, and then I'll seal up the side once we turn it on.
Check Boba. That's the other one. It's in that van. They're a chipset test payload.
There's a servo in there.
They're a long distance radio that pings off a satellite and comes back down to them. And they're actually back at their home campus.
There was an actual practical use for the bag full of sand.
A bit more sand than I need, but you know, we commit to the bait. I would like it to be known that the bag I brought for my costume was actually used because it was holding the sand payload. I feel like that should come for extra points.
Let us.
I mean, it is a bird. Definitely a burden.
I love that you can just like take a fistful of sand out of your bag and like throw it.
Oh, no. I'm not so fun sight.
Sorry, I just didn't realize that.
Yeah, when you pour it out of a jar.
I didn't even have multiple jars.
No, I have the one jar. I also have a bunch of vials. So,
This will be remembered.
I am committing to the bit. I'm here to win this thing. I am fully committing to the fucking bit. Also, what is better than one bag of sand? But 2 bags of sand.
He has all the
We're committing to the bit. I'm a sand.
I really want to see the man.
I mean, we've gotten I think the fun one was we were in Oklahoma, we were in Cruise, just in a launch, and we went to a Mexican restaurant, like just like the same, because when we were in Kansas and Oklahoma, they launched it, like we all just went, there's a low enough amount of us that we all were
Cornell already?
So we went
No, it's just told they're considering circumcising the balloon.
Someone just came up with some people and we're like, what the hell are you guys?
See, I'm curious what that guy's thinking. That's really what he's thinking.
Something. Oh my god.
Yeah, when I came in for dinner, we were like, no way.
It's silly.
Well, depending on how this one goes.
And then some lady started yelling at her. She came out, she's like, no. There's like a...
The Montana ones are custom. Because I know you're in like a lot of king pictures, so. So the Montana ones are okay.
Did you?
I think so. I don't know.
PG. Is this up?
The other one, my grad student, and her roof kind of hit the cap. No, it was like sophomore year.
It comes out farther than I thought it would. I was just surprised.
I'm I don't like stuff in my nostrils.
I don't like anything.
A change battery.
Change the battery?
Where's the battery?
Okay, I'm gonna go check on my table. Where is the truck? It's in my pocket.
Excuse me, what? Excuse me, what?
Who's stealing the SD card?
Wonderful.
How about it?
Do I find it Jackson? God.
Yeah, once you're on the bad
Little metallic, yes.
once you got that far, that's why
I always bring my pairs of fingerless gloves because these are the most useful type of gloves in this case. I'm telling you, they're the most useful thing because if you need your fingers, but to keep them most
What orientation do we have to add?
I saw.
yeah, like then you just loosen it and then huh? I'm sorry, I'm just a bit mad, angry, and
Oh, you're trying to turn the thing.
I'm sorry. No matter how much shit it has for all the pieces for it, it has an SD card and I can as many adapters as I want. So I think it's fine. Also, it's frozen.
I think it's just this hotspot.
No, the video was frozen.
Yes.
Thank you.
No, I'm trying.
Anyway, I'm going to remake I do. I have to make sure what's more. It should be cheap. I think I'm just going to
Yeah, I should.
Do I have to turn off scientifically? Is it on? You hear what I'm saying?
Whoa! Oh, you think the whole thing? Yeah.
Do I have to talk all formally, or can I just be like podcast live?
Yeah.
You're coming free. Oh,
This is definitely something that's gonna need to be. I'm gonna need to take rest of the back up, right? As a safety valve, it doesn't really do anything. So I just open it.
am I good? That's why go in front of the camera and kind of here. Can I just put on this part
Start distributing gloves to people who are not doing anything. Yeah, I want some babysitters. Who's not doing anything? Who's not doing anything? Yeah. Cameron. You're not doing anything.
Is it good now? Yo, yo, yo. Mic on the phone. Huh? Hello and good morning, UMD. Welcome to NS-129. I'm your host for today, David, the Davester, the Dave Strini. And now I'm just going to be talking about stuff, you know? Right now we got the balloon inflating, people tie-oning, ground stationing, and now I'm going to introduce my very special guest for today, Daniel Grammer.
Everybody, nice to meet you.
Yeah. So Dan, how is it going today?
It's going pretty well. It's actually quite cold, pretty chilly. We've got a slight breeze coming in from whatever direction this is. I don't know what direction it is.
Going southwest.
Going southwest.
Like here.
It's like
So like
totally going that way.
I literally checked it.
Hold on. Pending weather report.
Oh, this is Silver Spring. I'm so stupid.
David did something Spring. I don't know where we are. We're in Pennsylvania.
We're in Pennsylvania, dog?
Yeah, we are.
Oh, so southeast. So that's... yeah.
Alright, so it's coming from northwest to southeast. It's not too bad, but it is chilly. It's quite cold.
Yeah.
We're also getting tied onto the plane right now. Looks like that's going pretty well. We have a guest star from Cornell University.
It looks like a kite.
It does look a bit like a kite. It's a big, I think it's just like a radio payload. They're trying to see if they can get a signal back to New York from the payload that we're flying up today. So,
Go Cornell.
Collaboration with their university, yeah. So that's Cornell. Thanks, Cornell.
Yeah. We're better though.
Well, yeah, maybe. We're definitely better at balloon flights. This is why they asked us to do it.
Yeah.
So no, it's good. Fun collaboration. We're pretty heavy today. We are actually exactly 12 pounds, which is the legal limit.
Yep.
Which we were able to get such fine mass control because Cameron's graduate payload is called Sandbox, and it has sand as a ballast. So we just put as much sand as we could until we reached 12 pounds.
And it's adjustable.
It is adjustable, so you can do less ballast if you want, or more ballast. If you don't know what ballast is, it's basically just...
What is ballast? Wait, you said what?
If people don't know what ballast is.
Ballast? What's ballast? I don't know what ballast is either.
Yeah, ballast. So it's just excess mass that you can drop off when you're in a flight to like go more up. So if you've ever been on a hot air balloon, if seen in a like video,
Oh, like those things they like tie off?
yeah.
Oh,
so if they ever
sure.
drop a bag off your hot air balloon to go up, that's ballast.
Wow. I learned something new today.
Yeah.
So did you. Thank you. What else?
What else are we flying?
Yeah, what else are we flying?
So we're flying my payload, my honors payload. It's called Neutron Scintillation Observer, as the reference talked about in SCAR, which is NSO. How's it going, Catania? Alright, he's whispering. But my payload, it has just basically a piece of plastic in it that makes light when radiation hits it. And I have a little light sensor on there that measures light. And so I can use that to read radiation. It's supposed to be able to measure the energy spectrum of radiation that I gather, but that's not working. So I'm basically just flying it as
Not working yet.
Not working yet. That's true. Hopefully
Yeah.
one day it'll work.
Not one day. Probably next time. Probably
Yeah,
now.
next launch. Next
Yeah.
launch it'll work for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
For sure. Not a doubt in my mind. But yeah, so it's just going to be a Geiger counter. I'm going to test my data logging. I'm going to see if it works the whole time. And then we also have a payload by the name of Aether, and they use piezoelectric sensors to try and generate energy in the flight. So piezoelectrics, when they have movement happen, they generate a current. And
Whoa.
So they're going to use that to see
So
if
we're
they
going to
can-
get electricity as we're moving up?
Yeah, we are.
Awesome. So is it possible to power like a servo or like a mini electronic like as we're going up, or like to do stuff?
So that's what we're trying to find out. It's not my payload, but I know Madeline's working on it, and of course a few other students are working on it. So I'm sure that they'll post their data. All of our data is publicly available on our website, UMD Nearspace, and yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
It's all available. You can look at their data. So when they publish it, you see how much energy we generate. I don't expect us to be able to power like the whole circuit board, but the idea is for sustained flights, we might be able to get a little bit of energy back. They do like months-long balloon flights in the Arctic, and maybe they can implement something like this.
So NASA hit us up.
Yeah.
NASA hit us up.
We love NASA.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna head out and
Go
go
Ravens.
check on my payload.
Thank you.
And yeah, you guys have fun.
Thank you so much, DG. High five, high five.
Go Ravens.
And now we have our most esteemed guest. As you can tell, he's a Ravens fan. Rami!
Let's hope we win, and let's hope we win against the Browns today and destroy them.
Did we win the last game against?
We have against the Buccaneers.
Yeah.
We won against them.
F the
And-
Buccaneers.
Yeah, the Buccaneers suck. And
Romeo and Rami. You guys have a
he's-
payload, right?
Yeah, he's working on Bobot 2.
Bobot 1.
It's
the one and only.
It's basically Bobot
The
2,
original.
But
Yes. Do you want to explain what Bobot 1 is?
well, Bobot 1 is just an arm that sticks out of the payload.
Robot arm.
It's a robot arm that sticks out.
It's a robot arm that sticks out.
And currently they're testing the servos.
Servos. Yes.
Servos.
Yes.
Yeah, they're testing the servos and they're checking if it works with the temperature and altitude. And I think they're just checking if it just works.
So they want to check if at different temperatures the servos will still be working and the
yeah,
electronics.
Yeah.
That is so revolutionary.
I don't know about that, but
yes, it is.
They're just trying to make sure the servos are operating at the conditions.
So how is that gonna like affect the full like payload? How is it like leading forward? What do you guys think of working towards? Like actually attaching the arm itself?
Well, they're not attaching the arm today.
They're not attaching the arm today?
Yeah, they wanted to, but I don't think they are. And, oh, it was, you're still attaching it?
Oh, they're still attached. Live news, folks. They want to attach the arm for Bobot today. So, we're getting live news right now that Bobot is getting an arm attached. So, we're going to be retracting, detracting all of that right here, right now, through the live stream. Like and subscribe. You know, like,
hit the like button.
Yeah,
Smash the
we're
like
the
button.
only one out here doing this. Who here on a freaking 6 a.m.
What's the most watched balloon stream?
9 a.m. on a Sunday morning is giving you content like this. No one.
Guys, he's a wizard.
No one.
I know.
Actually, I'm a gnome.
A gnome? What are we doing? We're doing Halloween costumes.
I guarantee you,
Okay,
I'm
guys.
Halloween costumes.
I'm the only balloon gnome.
Guys, you guys can guess what my Halloween costume is.
Yes.
I'm a not fit athlete.
Comment. We want comments down in the
like and subscribe.
Yeah, we want it down in the comments. Put it down in the comments.
Athlete.
No, it's that they're.
Okay. Yeah, so comment down in the comments and try and figure out what everyone is. No, I'm a gangster, dog. Like, I've been a gangster all my life. This is not a costume. This is real life, bro. Like, I've been a gangster. So, yeah.
You heard it here first.
Yeah, you heard it here first. I'm a gangster. So, do you have any pills you're working on?
Not at the moment.
Really?
Okay.
Do you have any information that you want to? What are you working on?
I'm helping with the regulator. The regulator we were initially going to use, its safety valve is messed up.
Ooh, messed up.
We've got a backup regulator, so the balloon is inflated now. We're all good.
Oh, you heard it live, folks. We saw, we tested, we fixed.
You want to move that way.
And we got up back again. Is that right?
That's right. That's what we do here.
Yeah, that's what we do here. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah. So,
Move over so we get the balloon.
okay.
Here, as you can see yourself.
Balloon is ballooning. It's inflating. I gotta tape my stuff.
Yes.
I will now hand over. Please, no. I need to go take my payload. Oh, I didn't even talk about my payload. Okay. So, my payload is RFD 900. It gives out radio frequency something. It gives out temperature, pressure, altitude, all of those stuff, and change in acceleration from live from the balloon. Yeah, so we can stream it right at the ground station, and we're able to determine how the balloon is working mid-flight. And we can say, how is this different from command? Well, it runs on Python, and we can see the live data on our screens by just pointing a grid antenna straight at it. And it's pretty fun to assemble. Yes. You heard it straight from here, folks. Thank you. I will now hand over so I can work on the payload. Thank you. And good night. Or good morning? Yeah, good morning.
All right. I've been forced to do this now. It is too early in the morning. I got 2 hours of sleep last night. Not for lack of trying. I tried to go to bed like 10, couldn't get to sleep. So I ended up reading a book for a while. Good book, Stormlight Archives. So what else is going on? We found a fossil. It was Madeline, come here. So this is Madeline. She found a bunch of rocks. They're pretty cool rocks. And in the rocks, there was a fossil. Did I show this to you yet?
Oh, whoa, that's actually really sick.
Yeah, I chiseled the fossil out of the rock using Ainsley's multi-tool and a mallet. So now I've got a fossil. I don't know what to do with it. I think I'm just going to put it in a jar on my desk. But, yeah. Do you have any thoughts on what's going on?
There wasn't a lot of fossils. I thought there'd be more.
You heard it here, folks. There wasn't a lot of fossils.
I don't know. I'm not really good at
You heard it here first. She's not really good at talking like this.
I mean, I was looking and I was smashing rocks back on, like, up in the trail, and, like, either the rocks were not, like, the
Yes,
like
you're good.
you know, like the
Spectroscopy!
You heard it here first, folks. Wasn't great for fossil hunt.
Okay, I'm gonna.
You heard it here first, folks. She's gonna go. Pearl, come here. This is Pearl. I have a bunch of classes with Pearl. She's great. How late were you up doing homework last night?
I don't think I went to bed last night.
You heard it here first, folks. She doesn't think she went to bed last night.
It's okay. We're getting through it.
It's okay. We're getting through it, she said. Live reporting from the meeting. And there she goes. Yeah, the balloon's over there. Pretty neat. We had a guy come up and ask us what we were doing because apparently he has a helicopter and he's about to fly the helicopter and didn't want to hit our payload line. So that was interesting. If he checked the FAA, he would have seen the notice to all airmen that we filed. The regulators. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but the regulator's making a weird noise. Because, as I was saying before, the safety valve on our regulator is messed up. Well, on the normal regulator. So we're using our backup, which is from Montana. And it makes a weird noise, and that's why we don't like it. But it's okay. It's apparently faster. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, the helicopter guy. If he checked the FAA website, he would have seen the notice to all airmen that would describe what we were doing, and he wouldn't have had to ask. But no, it's okay. He was driving a Corvette. It was blue. I can't think of anything to say at the moment. There's not quite much going on. We're waiting for payloads to get tied onto the line, and then the line's going to get tied onto the balloon. You can see those lovely folks over there holding their hands up, keep the balloon falling over if there was a large gust of wind. You can see Cameron in the yellow robe, that's the wizard robe that he showed himself for Ren Fair. Great robe. Very interesting Halloween costume today. This is Ainsley. Ainsley, what are you doing on the pad today?
I'm an assistant launch director. Hi guys.
And what does that mean?
I do the bidding of shipment, our actual instructor, and I kind of just hover over things.
And how's that going for you so far?
Pretty good. To be honest, I just stand and tell people what to do. I'm pretty good at that.
Living the dream.
Yep. I'm really enjoying it. The sun's coming out. Having a great time. Hi mom. Hi dad.
Hi Ainsley, Mom. Hi Ainsley, Dad.
Awesome. Well, wait. I'll ask my question. Would you rather fight 100 duck-sized horses or one horse-sized duck? Who do you think you could beat them?
I think I would die against both.
I think that when you take a horse down to duck size, they lose their leg strength. So
yeah, I think I'm most likely to be able to kill 100 horse-sized ducks. No, 100 duck-sized horses.
Yeah, like a horse-sized duck, that thing can fly.
I have a question for you. Why does it call it opening when you
Oh my god.
Ainsley doesn't like my sense of humor. I was going to ask her, why do they call it opening? Wait, come here. I have a question for you.
Can I?
No, I have a question. Why do they call it oven when you oven the cold food of a hot piece of food?
Can I introduce some sand?
Cameron's a sand wizard.
Okay, you know what? This is not enough sand for a man like you.
I don't know if the lovely viewers at home can see the sand.
I think you need more sand.
He thinks I need more sand.
You know, actually, this is not enough.
He's getting even more sand.
You need more
so much
sand. No, you know, one bag of sand is not enough.
One bag of sand is
You
not
need
enough.
2 bags of sand.
I need 2 bags of sand. You heard it here first, folks. 2 bags of sand. It's what's for breakfast. Herman's being lame and doesn't want to get interviewed because he has actual things to do.
I mean, he's a Tyon expert, you know?
He is a Tyon expert.
Yeah. He's also an electronics expert.
He is also an electronics expert.
Maybe he's 1% better than me. You know, I'm built different.
He's much better than me at electronics. I'm not good at electronics.
We're having fun here.
We are having fun here. I do know. Would you like the microphone?
Huh? No.
You sure?
You sure? I'm not a commentator.
Okay.
All right. Now we're not deaf anymore.
Yep.
Talking into the microphone for the stream. Hello, people on stream.
We are talking in the microphone on the stream. This is Meredith.
I'm radar reflector. That's my costume.
Meredith is radar reflector. That's her costume.
Radar reflector.
I'm reflecting the radar. It is my favorite payload.
Yeah, radar reflector is the thing the FAA says that we have to have on there because the FAA is lame. That's not a club opinion. That's just my opinion.
I almost worked for the FAA, but also you're valid, to be honest.
The FAA doesn't like people with ADHD.
Guys, look at this cool outfit right here. Look at the setup. It's like
we got the fit.
Yeah,
we got the beard.
Where did you get everything from?
Let's see. Okay, so these are REI, and this is also REI. These are in Amazon, but they are discontinued gloves. They no longer sell these, and you cannot look them up online anymore.
I bet you could find them on eBay.
You probably could, but they're probably expensive, and they're probably used. And these are belaying gloves, and they need them so we don't get rope burn. Where is it? You can see it. You can see it. It's fun. Yeah, and then these are EM t-shirts from Amazon. Because, yes, that's fine. Okay, I'm gonna go make people give me their payloads.
Good luck.
I'm nice, I swear.
Godspeed.
Godspeed, yeah.
Yep, balloon's still there. Herman, come here. Yes. I'm sorry that you're lame. The viewers are disappointed that Herman Muller won't show up. How many viewers are there?
Okay, I'm gonna go bug Michael Shipman.
Jeremy, you want to get on screen? You sure? Everybody, this is Jeremy. Wait, oh, you can't see Jeremy. Jeremy's a little shy. It's okay. We're all a little shy. I'm just too sleep deprived to say no. Do you want to be on the stream? No, I'm having a good time. No, come here. Interview.
Oh, okay.
Hello. Introduce yourself.
I'm Sanchi. I'm working on spectroscopy and cameras and live stream today. This is Rhino. He's a Triceratops.
Why is the Triceratops named Rhino?
Because it is. It's cool like that.
Okay.
Yes.
How are your payloads going?
Live stream setup, because you're literally looking at the live stream right now. Cameras is also almost set up, and spectroscopy is having a screw issue where we lost one of our screws. So we're taping things up and closing up, but we're mostly done.
You heard it here first, folks.
Thank you.
Thank you. Trying to see who else I could rope into talking.
Not the most ideal of
on is it?
Robot's not even ready.
Would you like to be on the live stream?
Hell yeah.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Karthik.
Everybody say hi. And what are you working on?
I got trained on commands and choppies. I'm aerospace sophomore. And I have my zero pressure balloon coming up next launch.
That's pretty awesome. Zero pressure balloons are cool. Can you describe what those are to the viewers?
Hell yeah. So typically the latex balloons are gonna fly and keep on flying until the end, but then the zero pressure balloon is gonna go to a certain altitude and stabilize there. And what we're gonna do is that we're gonna twist it and it'll eventually come down rather than just all the payloads coming down with the parachute. In a nutshell.
Pretty awesome. Zero pressure balloons are cool.
Hell yeah.
Do you have anything else you want to share with the viewers at home?
Don't sleep too late like me, because like I slept at 4 and woke up at 5.
Fell asleep at 4?
Yeah, I slept at 4 because I was working on my project.
We left at 5.
Yeah.
Did you drive yourself?
No, I was late. But anyways, they had to wait half an hour because of me, which I'm really sorry about, but yeah, don't be late.
You heard it here first, folks. The next time you're on a balloon launch, don't wake up at 4. Or I guess don't go to sleep at 4 when you have to be there at 4:30.
That's right.
Okay, I have a question for you.
Hell yeah, what's up?
If you had to fight one horse-sized chicken or 100 chicken-sized horses, which would you choose? Do you think you would win?
I'd win.
Which one?
Probably the horse-sized chicken.
That's a big chicken.
I'd still win.
I believe you.
Alright, man. Thank you so much.
I was like, that looks different because it was closed, and I was like, oh, wait. You're not flying poker, right? Launch it up. Yep. Yes. Herman. Herman. Can you get the cutters?
They're calling for Herman. They need the cutters.
Gotcha.
See, I don't know if you can see, but Michael Shipman over there is setting up command. Am I even in the frame? Yeah, I am in the frame. Okay. I can't see the screen at all because there's like the sun directly behind it. JJ is a caulk gun. I don't know what that's for. Now, over there we have, you can see that, command. Yeah. Michael Shipman and Akimi are putting command in its jerse. Command, the payload is stored in a purse that goes in the satellite, and recently we, the club remade the purse to be out of denim, so it's a jeans purse or a jerse.
No, it was. We were covering it. It's covered in. We're just not at the list.
You know, it seems like we didn't fill the balloon, yeah, like I think they dropped payload because they couldn't fill the like that type more helium. No, I think for some reason it can't put more helium in the balloon. I've
Interesting. Apparently we're having helium issues. The balloon is not floating enough, so we might have to drop the payload. Whatever happens, you'll hear about it here first. This is the UMD Near Space Balloon Payload Program, the first, best, and only weather balloon live stream on this lovely Sunday morning. might be 2 payloads taken off.
They're the ones on the bottom, so I assume they were the ones getting. I'll be like doing Pick up sand.
Shut up.
Yeah, I know, Romeo. Here's his picture.
Oh, you know what? This would have held it in. Okay, well, you can unplug the batteries.
Yeah, you have to unbend. Yeah, I'm gonna unplug the battery.
You want to give an interview?
Sure.
All right, no, you gotta stand more in frame.
Yes, sir.
All right, introduce yourself to the audience.
Hi, I'm Christian Jordan. I'm a member of Bobot 1.
And what does Bobot 1 do?
Bobot 1 purpose is to attach a robotic arm onto a balloon payload and to inspect other balloon payloads during flight.
That's pretty awesome. How's that going?
It's going pretty well. Currently working on the mechanical aspects of the arm, and we've been making a lot of progress recently. We're not flying Baby Bobot on this flight, but we're planning to fly it on the next flight, and we just finished working out the kinks, so we should be ready for that.
That's awesome. What is Baby Bobot?
Baby Bobot is like a test design of Bobot. It's basically to test out the camera, the visualization camera that'll be taking pictures of the other balloon payloads during flight, and we just got, I believe, 30 frames per second, and yeah, it was just a test for basically the camera.
That's pretty awesome. Thank you for sharing. Do you have anything else you want to share with the audience?
It's very cold out here, and have a good day.
Wait. I have one more question for you.
Yes.
If you had to fight either a horse-sized chicken or 100 chicken-sized horses, which would you choose?
Horse-sized chicken.
Why?
Because I feel like I'd have an easier time with one horse-sized chicken than like 100 animals attacking all
That's
at
true.
once.
100 animals is a lot.
Yeah, I can hardly manage like my 6 puppies at home. So.
You have 6 puppies?
Yeah,
That's
my dogs just gave birth to a few puppies.
Nice.
Yeah, we might give 3 to my aunt. But yeah.
That's fun.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna get back to Robot. Thank you very much. Very nice.
Keep it up with the good work. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's also why we split it.
The sun came out. It's actually getting warm now, which is nice. That's Sully over there.
Sully.
You can see. Sully's lame and won't give an interview because he's babysitting the balloon. Can we get some Sully's lames in the chat?
You should interview.
No, he's apparently too busy to interview.
My parents will be watching. My parents are watching too, probably. They said they were early.
I'm curious if the viewer count has gone up or down since I started commentating.
It's actually
It's negative.
It's negative. Negative 20.
Let the hate comments start. He's too funny. Do you want to give an interview? Come here. All right, introduce yourself to the audience.
Hello, my name is Will Hamilton.
What year are you in major?
Sophomore aerospace engineering.
And what are you doing here today on the pad?
I don't know, I'm just messing around. I'm supposed to be learning copies and I guess the command stuff. The same thing I did last time, so just, yeah.
That's pretty awesome. Are you having a good time?
I guess so, yeah. So far, yeah.
Do you have anything else you want to share with the audience?
I want to say wise words, but I don't have any. So,
you know, knowing when to be quiet, those are wise words in and of itself. I have one last question for you. If you're at the fight,
20 minutes.
One horse-sized chicken or 100 chicken-sized horses?
Discussing bare bones.
100 chicken-sized horses, because I mean,
I still
what are they going to do?
I think it's
I'll stomp on them.
Wise words. Stomp on the horses.
I'm doing that.
Thank you for
at University of Maryland, but I don't know if I'm actually going to do it still. I'm still like in the realm of like maybe
suggest?
How much does it weigh? 912. We need 300.
Yeah, we're in this shitty
We're in like a
zone.
weird. We're at 19.7.
They were.
Let's see how much weight I can lose off this. Okay?
I don't know what to do. You can turn off the mic.
Get one of your freshers or whatever, somebody to hold that for release.
Yeah. No one hears us.
Well, I think the camera has a mic on it too.
Yeah.
Apparently the voices are clear without the mic.
300 grams. Oh, we already had the tapes. Done.
I know. I need to stop.
Just tape it up. It's fine. We don't need more sand.
Is 170 grams okay?
It's fine.
Okay, just tape it up like that.
Okay, let's close it and we need to leave.
Every payload.
Dr. Gunn, do you need to call the tower?
Are you holding the payload?
What? We're boxing them up and we're gonna leave.
Tony, you hold the payload.
I think we should.
You hold radar reflector for me.
Where is this? I'm curious.
Yeah, we're gonna launch soon. We're just figuring out the weight at the moment. You want to see something?
Nah, I'm good.
Now, where's Josh and Vladimir?
I don't know.
Oh, they're over there.
Stop slicing it.
Every payload has a POC. They are taping up sandbox right now. Then we are ready for put in. And we're going to do it in a how fast we Okay, we're going to train two people as we're going down. You're under pressure. That way. Yeah.
Shipman, flight search done. Fantastic.
Okay.
Let's put it together.
Okay. Okay, wait, no. Jeremy needs to get out of there for us.
Oh, okay.
Thanks. Give us a second. Okay, just start moving the balloon over. We're going to hold this. You're going to follow us. And you're going to help. No. Madeline's holding. You want to hold that, and then I can spread the I'll spread the you clip it. If that works, you can clip and tape, and then I'll hold it for you. Put your gloves on, hold your hand over hand. Nope, you just need to hold it in place and hand. We're gonna hold the weight from you. So, not be on the back. So we don't trip over it.
And where's the first payload?
wind. So normally if we're in a gusty launch, we'll do 2 people because it's more full on the balloon. So everyone's got something.
Everyone's at the station. You good to start moving?
Flight line, let's start moving. Can you guys grab that off the center of the pads and have a tricks on it? Yeah. Okay. Everyone, let's go. Take up your payload. Okay. Yep, that's the way you do it. Okay, figure it out. Okay, we're going to go towards the balloon. So walk slowly this way. We're going up, just rotate. At Tony, stay where you are. Just rotate around. Stay behind Tony's head. Jeremy and up, keep going. There we go.
It's good.
Is the balloon in train?
Yes. Then I know you're live.
Do you want to spread the load? I'll spread it in your pocket. You and I will both. Why are you so nervous? Thanks so much. John, are we ready?
You called him?
Now you call him? Okay, awesome. Thank you.
We're going.
No, it has space. No, it's not space with water. No, I remember using water before did you jump that
Yep, I'm done here. Keep going. Transfer load to me. Yep.
There's a conspiracy theory that we live in a dome and that we outside the dome.
Yep, you're good. You want to just do a quick you can get. Yep, to you.
Vladimir, turn it on.
Vladimir, is one on?
Yeah, it's on.
Okay.
Team effort here.
Then you should have asked me. I was going to
ready?
think
Transfer
that.
load?
Oh, wait.
Yep. Transfer standing. Okay, transferring. Ready? Transferring load. Yep, thank you. You're good. Yep. Transfer load. And in. Load. Load transfer. Okay, I got you.
Like, a lot of the departments have like.
How's it feeling?
Oh, that'll go a lot. Come here, Dr. Bad, you want to check?
Should I put more sand in?
All your sand will fall on me.
It has to pull on you. Want to check it?
I mean, what a calm day.
Do you feel how much pull that is on you? Okay. That's just so you can get an idea of what it feels like. All right.
Let's do a countdown. Is everybody turned on?
Sounds it? Okay. You guys should probably spread. Either way, so we don't smash you with the line. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Woo!
That is
And in about 22 minutes, some sand will fall on us.
Great. We're expediting the packing up. We're getting in the vans. If you switch vans to return and/or chase, tell your driver. Let's go.
Both drivers.
AJ, I'm switching.
How about takes not going to do this?
I'll give myself
Tony, we're stopping some of the best.